Hi everybody, welcome back to another rendering tutorial. Today in this lesson, we'll be drawing Stewie from Family Guy. So come join me while we have some fun. So to begin, let's draw Stewie's head. So I'm going to draw one eye on the left of my page, and I'm going to draw a circle for this. Just like that. I'll draw a little eyeball in the middle, and then I'll draw a line that cuts across the bottom. And then I'm going to go way over here to this side, and I'm going to draw another circle like this. Try to get the same size as this one over here, and then we'll draw another eyeball there, and then a line at the bottom. Just like that. Right above the eyes, we'll draw a couple lines. So one that's on his right eye will go from the left to right, and on the left eye, we'll go from the right to left in an upward angle. For his nose, we will draw a V shape or like a little L that's in between the two eyes, but just on the left side. So we'll do a little nose like this. And then for his mouth, we'll go just below the nose, we'll hook to the left, and then we'll round this and come up to the right. And then we'll hook this back down and to the left. So we'll come down and to the left, just like that. And right here, we'll hook this back down like that. Now, in between the two shapes that we have here for the top and bottom of the mouth, draw a line like this. And then you could put a little tongue in place here. And we'll just go and fill this in with black. Since we're here, we already have our marker out. So we'll color that in just like so. Okay, now for his head. So we will start way over here, and we're going to leave a little bit of room for his ear. So we're going to start right about here, and we're going to come up just like this and over to the other side, and we're going to end roughly in line with his eyeballs, somewhere about here. So we'll keep this line going like that. And then we can draw his ear on one side like this. We can do the other ear. And then inside the ear, we'll draw a line, almost like a T. And on this side, we could just draw like a backward C. And then over here, we'll continue his head. It's kind of like a football shape. So we'll come across, come back up, and we'll meet up with the other ear on the other side. Just like that. Now we can add some hairs. So we'll start at the top and hook over, and we'll just do a few of these at the top like this. And then we can do it on the other side as well. They kind of like point, they come from the right and kind of hook over to the left. And guys, if you like this video and you want to see more, please like my channel. That'll really help, and I want to keep doing these videos for you guys. So thank you, and let's keep going. Just where his eye is, come down right about here, and we'll hook one of his arms in. So we'll come over like that. And then on the other side, we'll start right where his other eye is, approximately here, and then we'll come and draw like a shoulder shape, and then this will hook down like that. So you're somewhat in line and stopping right about here. Come over to this side and draw a line right here in the middle like that, and then this will hook upwards just like that. Then we'll have another line for his arm on this side. We'll start here and we'll come down and then come up. And then we can connect the lower line there. We'll do his fingers next. So we'll go from this corner here, we'll come up and over, and then we'll do another one that hooks over, and then we'll do another one that hooks over and stops. And then this will just come somewhat straight down and come right into the hand here. On this side, we can come up, and then we'll continue this line over. That's his other hand. And then this distance here, we'll pretend that there's the same on the other side, and this will come like that. So it's a little bump and curving upwards. And then this will hook to the right a little bit. We'll create his straps next. So from here, we'll just curve upwards, and we'll do a second line. And his other strap will go right about here, and will be about the same thickness as that one there. Just like that. We'll do his lower portion of his body next. In between this arm, we'll start right about here, and we will bend this just a little bit in this direction, and we'll do his hiney over here on this side, and we'll curve this in the opposite direction. These will come down. Now don't forget to leave some room for his feet. So I started right here, and I'm getting a little running out of some real estate, some space here at the bottom of my page, but that's okay. We'll come down like this for his other leg. And what we do is in the middle of these two lines, right around here, we'll draw a line, and then we'll hook this up. And then we can connect these two lines here. So we'll do some slight curved shapes like this, and just connect and end those. And then we'll draw his feet. So what I'll do is his shoes, I'll draw this right one first. Okay, so I'll start from this corner right here, this intersection point here. I'll come down and then come over, and this will be somewhat flat, and I'm gonna end right there. I don't want to go all the way to the edge, just inside of that a little bit. And then this shape here, we'll do another one on this side. So we'll go right from that corner, and then we'll hook this, and then we'll come, and that'll go right into the toe. Just like that. So there you go, guys. We just finished drawing Stewie. I'm gonna go and use my markers to color this in, so we'll speed up the footage, and we'll see you in a little bit. So there you go, guys. We just finished drawing Stewie from Family Guy. I think this was really fun. It was pretty quick, something that anyone can do. So if you're a beginner, this is a perfect drawing for you guys. So thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.